Okay.
Over here, where you can see.
Face the gun.
Don't you want to see?
Tend the vent. What he's going to do, tend the vent, he's going to take the brass brush. Go ahead, brush it. He's going to brush it. Make sure the vent's open so when he puts the primer in, it'll go off. Stop the vent. He's going to plug it up. Worm. He's going to go in with the worm. That's going to serve for a large object. We want to get anything out this way, the powder, when it hits the back of the breech is the back of the gun, that the powder will reach the vent and go off. Wet sponge is going to go in, dip a little bit of water. We don't want too much water, but we want it damp. This way, if there's any hot embers from a previous fire, it'll smother it out and also pick up some small objects, anything that might be stuck in there from before. She's going to go in, she's going to seat it all the way back to the back. And if you watch, a nice tight fit, she's going to struggle with it. Don't put your hand on the back of it like that. You want to stand to the side too. Go ahead.
Papa. Where's the Papa
If you
go?
watch, you hear it thump.
He's back there.
Papa.
There's a
I don't
thump.
see him.
Nice
Behind you.
seal. Go
Oh,
back
he's
in
over
one
here.
more time. One more time.
Watch, Cora.
Just to make sure there's no excess moisture in there.
Hey, it's okay. Nay.
Good. Go ahead, pull her out. Drag your knee strap back to back. Take her out. Now turn around. Stand where he's at and put the end right here.
This one.
Now the other end.
No, he didn't shoot yet.
Lay the front right there. That's good. Now, face out. Like that. There you go. That signifies that you're ready for the round. The powder monkey, usually a child between the age of 9 to 14, will run powder back and forth. They bring the powder up. Go hand the round over. He's going to set it in the end. Now she's going to wait. Remember to wait. Okay. Get your implement. And he's going to signify that he's ready. Then they're going to call seated. Go ahead and ram it. Go ahead. No, the wood net. The wood net. No, up here. Put it in. Put it in. 1, 2, 3 rounds. Pull out. Okay. She's going to make sure that round is seated to the back. All right. Pull it out. Now go up on the head like here. That signifies that the round is seated to the back of the breech. Breech being the back of the gun. Now the next command is prick and prime. He's going to take the brass rod. You got it, right? Okay. He's going to pierce that bag. That's going to open up that powder. Don't go over the top. Go from the side. Pull her out. Okay. That signifies that it's ready. We're going to insert a primer. This primer is a brass wire, chemically coated. It's got a little bit of chemicals, black powder, mercury sulfate and stuff. But all it is it's going to be pulling it like a match. Okay? So we're going to seat this in. Okay. Now listen closely. Okay? What I want you to do is, yes. Okay, now stand facing him, low, okay, stretch it tight. And now him, you're going to step back, prepare. What you want to do, your implement goes on
Girls,
the front
cover your
foot
ears.
closest to the muzzle.
Cover your ears.
Goes on your back hand, and your left. Lean back, cover, no, back, towards the window, okay? Cover the other one, and you're going to want the muzzle for the flash, okay? What you're going to do, stretch it tight, okay? Now, the key to this is a friction primer. So all you're doing is pulling it 2 inches is all he needs to pull it. So use your body weight, don't jerk it, okay? Just hold it. Either take a step Or take it and lean. Or straddle and then lean. All you're going to do is move it 2 inches. Okay? Have it tight. Everybody ready?
Ready?
Keep it low, otherwise that wire's going to come up. Good? Fire. Like I said, you're only moving it 2 inches.